Hey everyone, I'm David on Earth. Welcome to the channel. A couple months ago, TrustFire asked me to review for them their H6R headlamp. Powerful, sturdy, excellent tool. You should go check out the video. So recently, TrustFire asked me again to go to their website and pick up maybe another product I'd like to review. So I thought, well, what would my audience, you, appreciate the most among all their products? And I ran across this little gem. It's the Mini X3. It has some great features for hiking and backpacking and just general use around the house. And if you like what you see here today, I have a little discount for you at the end of this video, so check it out. Now this Mini X3 feels really good in the hand. You can see it's not very big. Now it doesn't have any rubber components on it that would make it over time kind of sticky. This is just some nice metal. It has a nice grip. And it's lightweight. It only weighs 3.3 ounces, which is 94 grams. It has several modes. You see the modes here. It has a laser pointer. It has a spotlight. It has a UV light. And it has a floodlight. Now the spotlight has 4 different settings. And here it is out in the yard. I start with the lowest beam, and then I step this up to the highest beam. You see how bright it is. The brightest is 1050 lumens, and it lasts for 2 hours and 10 minutes on full charge. And it's effective up to 120 meters. That's 420 feet. The lowest setting is 3.5 lumens, effective for up to 5 meters, which is 16 feet. And this might last 152 hours on a full charge. The floodlight has 3 different settings. It goes from 303 lumens to 5 lumens. It has a lock mode to prevent accidental touching. So if it's in your pocket and you accidentally press the button, it doesn't come on. You have to press it twice for it to come on. There's a battery strength indicator here. It goes from green to yellow to red to flashing red, depending on how full the battery is. Now the clip works 2 ways. There's a nice sturdy clip right here. It can attach to a hat, and it can attach to your belt. For recharging, it uses a common C-type connector. That plugs right into here, little flap. And then plug it into your power source. It is shock and water resistant. It has a magnetic base. And the LEDs in here have a lifespan of 50,000 hours. Now, what do I like and dislike about this Mini X3? Well, I tell you what, there's a lot to like here. I love this ease of this mode switch. Real easy to hold in your hand. Feels great, feels sturdy, is sturdy, and has a lot of great features. The different light modes, the clip, the magnetic. A lot of great stuff about this. Now, there's one little thing I don't like. Now, this is probably more personal than anything, but there's this little charging cover here. It's this little rubber case, and a lot of devices, electronic devices out there, use the same kind of concept. I've never liked this concept because it's too easy to flip up, too easy to get loose, and if you drop this in water, done. You know, it gets dirt and stuff inside here. Now, it does seal pretty good, but over time, this just gets loose, I found out, on a lot of devices, so I'm not a big fan of this kind of cover. If I would make a recommendation, I'd say have some kind of sliding metal thing with a little seal on it, something to make that, I think, a little bit better. But overall, absolute winner here in this Mini X3. So I hope you enjoyed this review. I hope you got something out of it. I certainly have enjoyed using this so far. I might be replacing this on some of my backpacking trips when I need something that's a little bit more sturdy, a little bit more features. Now, a little disclaimer here. I don't sponsor any company or any specific product. These are my opinions and my opinions only. They don't tell me what to say. I'm not beholden to TrustFire. I'm not beholden to anyone. These are strictly my opinions, and that's all. Okay, so I'll see you next time. Remember, go out and live like you want it. See you on trail.